Greetings, K911 doing another review for Chewy.com. Today we're going to be reviewing American Journey grain-free chicken and sweet potato recipe dry dog food. We're pretty excited to do this review. We have done a review for American Journey in the past, and as a company we really like them. Chicken and sweet potato recipe says crude protein 34%, so that's pretty high. That's a good high protein dog food to feed. It gives you advice on transitioning from lower protein dog food, which is very important for owners trying to avoid the runs. Deboned chicken, chicken meal, turkey meal, peas, sweet potatoes, chickpeas. All of the ingredients at the top of the list. Check out. They have their number right on the bag. Always shows that they stand by their product when they give you a way to contact them